Okay, today we're doing a change oil soon reset or oil life reset on a 2023 Chevy Blazer. So normally what you want to do is start the engine, and once you start the engine you will see change oil soon in the dashboard. So you're gonna go to the navigation buttons on the steering wheel, press the center button to dismiss, then you use the right arrow or the left arrow to navigate to the information panel, which is the icon. So then you scroll down, use the ball button to scroll down until you find the oil life reset. It's at 0 now, so you're gonna press the middle button, then I scroll across, press the middle button again to confirm, yes, and then you're at 100%. You can go up now and reset the trip. You can leave it back at the speed. So that's it, simple.